Yeah, hello guys, you're highly welcome to another free video on Nobuti Fashion. On this video I'm going to be showing you how I unbox my 2-head Yinke monogram machine. Note that this video is just for educational purpose without promoting or advertising for Yinke monogram machine. So please, I'm not promoting or a brand ambassador for this product. So this is just for educational purpose by showing you how I go about unboxing and installing the machine by myself, me and my students. So without wasting any of your time, let's get started. Yeah, this was when I arrived with the machine, and then we are trying to offload the machine from the bus. So the machine is very heavy, as in we are many there, so we are just trying to offload it by ourselves. So this is very heavy, as in if care is not taken, the thing can just injure person. So this is the man that helped me bring down the machine, and it was the one that just helped us to open it, and the reaction of my guys were just wow, everyone was just happy. And then this is it. After we have brought everything inside, we have to lose the machine from outside so that we can just take it, each part to the office, so that we can just fix it. So those are my guys. I'm just sharing the screw to each and every one of them so that you can just fix it to the machine. So we notice that we assemble this by ourselves. We install it without prior knowledge to this. So thank God for the knowledge, and thank to YouTube. So I watched some videos on YouTube on how to go about this, and then we also use our own ideas and initiative to go about it. So I was supposed to have released this video a long time ago, but I don't have time to do that. So this is my wife opening one of the boxes. So she stood by me during this process. Thank you so much, my beautiful damsel. So this one is just for the cap. So this is the hook for the cap. So this is what we use if you want to make an embroidery on the cap. So this one have two different hook for the cap. So this box is for the cap. So we also have another box, and here is another box. So this one is just to relay thread for the down thread of the machine. So this one is another box. So we use this one to reel thread for down thread of the machine. So the same way we reel thread on the normal sewing machine. So this is another box. So this one is just two boxes, and this is the big frame for the machine. So this one are preset design that came with the machine, and this is also some other tools that came with this. So that is a needle, and this is a ruler for the machine. So this is the time we assemble everything, and we are trying to stand the machine. And thanks to everyone. And when the machine finally stand, we are just jubilating and very happy. To mind this guy is too playful. Wow. Thank God for this. Thank God. And very big thanks to you guys that congratulate me. Those that have been able to answer their messages, and those that have not been able to do that, I say a very big thank you to each and everyone. So I really appreciate you guys. So this is the machine. So it has a wheel on the down part, so which you can use through to move it to any place we want. So those are my guys. They are just very happy for this a great achievement, and thank God for this. So we are just trying to put it in a place, to locate it in a place, so that the thing can just be fixed properly. So we just try to turn it. So we are just trying to bring it to join idea together, so that we can find a very nice place to locate the machine. So that is how I relate with my students. We bring idea together, and then we come out with a very good one. So as a boss, you don't need to do everything by yourself. Most of your guys also have idea which they can share with you, and that is how I relate with my guys. So we're just trying to fix the frame. So when you come to Nobuti Fashion, you should know that there will be nothing that can give you a tough time if you want to fix it. So because we bring idea together, we're just trying to make things up, and then at the end of the day we achieve a good result. So this is it. After we have we have fixed the frame. This is the big frame. And this thing, if you want to install it, if you call an installer to install this thing for us, they will take nothing less than 20 to 50,000 naira, depend on the location and then the person that's helping you doing this. But we are able to do this by ourselves without calling or assisting from anyone. So this is the second frame when we are trying to fix it, and that is it. So that is it. So you just need to tighten it on this side, and the machine is stand already. We have on the machine and just want to test run some of the design on it, and here is the machine working. You can see this. Thank you so very much. Thank you for this. Just trying to check the work and see how the result is. So note that this is just for educational purpose, not a promotion for this product. And this is it. This is the small frame, and we are testing a logo there. That is just for school logo, and this is the cap. So you can see the design. The embroidery is very awesome. This is beautiful. So that is my brand name, NTF. So we are available for your order whenever you want to make embroidery monogram for your design or for your customer. You can just reach out to me on my WhatsApp number, which I'm going to drop on the screen, and you can as well check the link to chat with me on my WhatsApp line in the description box below. Thank you for watching. Till the next time, I'll bring you another amazing video like this again. I also pray that may God help you to achieve all your desire before this year runs out. Thank you for watching, and then bye for now.